Look at these two gems. Both are green, both are brilliant, both look almost identical. But here's the truth, one can scratch the other. One weighs nearly 30% more, and one has a secret variety worth over $50,000 per carat. Today, you'll know exactly which is which, and never confuse them again. Green zircon is one of the oldest minerals on Earth. Some crystals are over 4 billion years old. Its chemical formula is zirconium silicate, and its stunning sparkle comes from a refractive index of up to 1.98, almost as high as a diamond at 2.42. Chrysoberyl formula beryllium aluminum oxide is a completely different mineral family. Its most famous variety, alexandrite, changes color from green in daylight to red under incandescent light, a phenomenon so rare, fine specimens sell for $50,000 per carat or more. Let's look at the numbers because this is where the real story is. Hardness first. On the Mohs scale, from 1 to 10, green zircon scores 6.5 to 7.5. Chrysoberyl scores 8.5, making it nearly as hard as sapphire at 9. That means chrysoberyl is significantly more scratch-resistant for everyday jewelry. Now brilliance. Zircon's refractive index hits 1.92 to 1.98. Chrysoberyl sits at 1.74 to 1.75. Higher refractive index means more light bending, more fire, so zircon actually outsparkles chrysoberyl. Weight. Zircon's specific gravity is 4.6 to 4.7. Chrysoberyl is only 3.5 to 3.8, so a zircon of the same size will feel noticeably heavier in your hand. So how do you identify them without a lab? 3 quick tests. Test 1 weight. Pick them up. Zircon feels heavy for its size. Chrysoberyl feels lighter. That density difference of up to 1.2 grams per cubic centimeter is noticeable. Test 2 sparkle. Hold them to a light. Zircon throws more rainbow fire. That adamantine luster is almost diamond-like. Chrysoberyl has a softer, glassy, vitreous shine. Test 3. Color change. Take it indoors under a warm bulb. If the stone shifts from green to reddish, it's alexandrite, a variety of chrysoberyl. Green zircon never changes color. One important note on zircon: older stones mined decades ago can carry trace radioactivity from uranium impurities. Modern heat-treated zircon is considered safe, but it's a fact worth knowing. Here's your 1-0-second cheat sheet. Green zircon older than the dinosaurs. Heavier, more sparkle, refractive index up to 1.98. Chrysoberyl harder, more durable, lower refractive index 1.74, and its alexandrite variety is one of the rarest gems on Earth.